Alright, hey guys, this is an update video just following up from where we were last at during the COVID. We did catch up on our inventory and our production, and everything now is shipping within the same week or less. The cool thing is we also have a lot of new products in the works. We've ramped up our team, and we're going to start doing YouTube content here very soon. So this is our studio. We're shooting a GPU support bracket guide video right now. You're going to see this in a lot higher quality. We got the cameraman behind. Say hi, Kai. And here's some of the cool new stuff we're doing. So we got AIO covers coming out soon for Corsair, Capellix Elite AIOs, as well as the regular Hydro Series AIOs. We're going to be doing a lot of other all-in-one water cooling units as well, like NZXT, Cooler Master, Lian Li, you name it. We got these cool ARGB M.2 heat sinks coming out. So they're just going to have the LED, and of course it's going to sync with all our products with the 3-pin addressable header. And this is actually going to act as a heat sink as well as a cool feature to any M.2s. We have a bunch of cool designs, a lot of new artists starting as well. Here's a cool example of like a build we're doing to showcase what's possible. But this one is really cool, so check this out. We got this Lian Li Pc 11 with custom glass engraving and sublimation die printing, as well as the back panel here with it designed by GeoGlizer. You can see it on this side on the panel. This is not a vinyl sticker. This is actually chemically etched into the panel with a graphic overlay that's UV sublimation dyed. So that's going to be a whole suite of possibilities that we can start doing for case panels and whatnot. We're going to be starting off with the Lian Li Pc 11. We got this bottom basement cover that's going to be available. You can customize your own design or choose from a plethora of artists' designs. Also this back plate right here, they're going to be all addressable LED lit. You can also see the fan grills back there, as well as the ARGB fans. There's some super clean and basic ARGB fans that have LEDs inside the middle area here, as well as the rings on both sides. Stickerless, brandless, with splitters for both the ARGB header as well as a 4-pin PWM. These are 1800 RPM fans, around 25 dB for the noise, all with rubber dampening corners. These are just going to be $10 at V1TECH. These are our new Spectrum ARGB fans. They're going to be super budget oriented to allow you to get really cool looking fans that theme with all our mod parts real easily. So this will be a cool addition to any build, as well as with the fan grills. The cool thing about these fan grills is it's all completely transparent material with the LED reactive dye sublimated graphic on top. So these fan grills are going to grab the light from the fans behind them and add an extra layer of depth and aesthetic to any build. And of course you can do any design on these as well. We're going to have a couple different styles, so there's another cool idea right there, as well as full dye sublimated dust filters. So if you just want to add some dust filters to your case and you want it to look good, here's a cool design by Searlight, I believe, that you can do. So normally it would come like this, and from us it would come like that. Let's go out into the warehouse and I'll show you some other things that we've got going. Of course, it's going to be the editing bay area. So we have Chris is going to be starting to be an on-camera personality you'll see here on the YouTube channel. We got Kai's editing system here, Cole's editing system, and of course I will sit back in the corner. And we got a whiteboard for notes and whatnot. Hey, it's Monday. I just want to do a little update in the middle of this video to kind of give you guys a couple more updates that I didn't mention. But we got these really cool new PSU Shroud covers coming in. So this isn't like a case that Kyle here is working on for his mom. We'll be doing a whole video on this one soon, but we're going to be doing stuff like this in custom sizes and for specific computer cases like fractal design, PSU Shrouds, and whatnot. We're also going to be doing drive cage covers, so a vertical version for any drive cages you have. You want to customize that, fill up the space. It's going to be basically just a bigger backplate, and we do have the longer LED strips now to accommodate that. Something else, now that it's Monday, I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the team before we get back into the update that we filmed. So that's Corey, he handles our influencers and whatnot. is Andrew, our artist manager.
Hello.
And this is Tyler, our photographer.
Hello.
We got Trevor Dobbs. He's been with me since the beginning, and he pretty much carries us on creating new files for GP models and orders and stuff. This is Griffin. He's a little busy right now with customer service. Griffin Scholl. And let's go do a quick thing in the back. We don't want to interrupt everybody. If I introduce you real quick?
What?
You mind if I introduce you real quick? This is Mickey. She helps you with packaging. We got Kyle here in production. And we got Donald here in production. So we'll have to get back to work.
Jeez.
We are very
Heck yeah.
yes. Both are quick.
Acrylic shipment coming in.
Sir.
And Kyle for help loading it off the truck. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a giveaway in this video. All you gotta do is subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, any comment, ask like questions about the products we're about to release or what you'd like to see from us next, whether it be content or products. And we're gonna pick somebody from the comments in the next video and announce the winner for a $100 store credit for anything you wanna purchase that we talked about today in the video or that's already on the website at V1TECH.com. All right, let's get back to the footage we shot yesterday. We have some PC11s that we're backstocking and getting them ready to ship directly printed and customized out the door from here in our location at V1TECH. We also got plenty of fans. So all of these boxes right here are filled with ARGB fans. Those will be up on the website already, so you can check those out. And let's go ahead and go this way. So you can see all of this is inventory for our LED strips and our ARGB cables. We even got Strimer Plus, Lian Li Strimer Plus cables that are on the website now. We got the 3 8-pin, double 8-pin, and 24-pin. All of these boxes are full and ready to go. So if you want to get addressable RGB cables to sync up with all our mod parts, those are now available at V1TECH.com. So we can take it just to all the RGB crazy customized level. Of course, we got all our Skittles. Just enough for Kai and our customers to enjoy. Everyone's gone home, so we're gonna turn on the lights, but you can see these are all boxes that are getting ready to be shipped out right away. It's the weekend here, so these will go out on Monday. This is kind of the packing station area. You can see all these orders right here are already done and ready to go out. This is about 100 to 200 orders right here. We're fully backstocking all our materials, so they go out quick. You can see on the bed just a fresh outline print of everything that just got moved off of it. And of course, here we have all our laser cutters. Look at this. This is a fresh cut right here of all our AIO cutouts and whatnot. All ready to go. So our laser cutters. And this is all the material that got cut this week alone. So we're all ramped up. Expect a lot more cool videos from us here soon at V1TECH. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. And we're running a crazy sale, so make sure to check that out. Links in the description to go to V1TECH.com. Thanks so much for your support, for helping us grow and bring you innovative mod products and take the whole industry, as well as your PCs and setups, to the next level. See you guys on the next one.